Hey, there it is. My new Humanscale Path Chair just arrived on the front porch. All right, let's see what we have here. All right, so I'm Brantley with Smart Furniture, and this is the official unboxing of the Humanscale Path Chair. Let's get down to it. All right, let's see what we have here. So exciting. This is a new chair from Humanscale, and we're going to set it up. Let's see. So, first thing that comes out is the base and casters already attached, which is super nice because nobody likes to attach casters. Very nice. All right. And let's see what we have next. We've got this. Oh, come over here and check this out. 100% compostable. Together, you and I make Earth a better place. Thank you for caring for our home. Awesome, right? What a great little touch. Okay, so we have a giant compostable bag that has a seat in it. Wow, gorgeous. That looks really nice. Solid frame. It's got, looks like it's got one adjustment lever. All right, cool. Compostable. And recyclable. All right. So far, no styrofoam. Good. Another bag, and this, oh, that must be the seat back. This is the seat cushion. So that's the back of the chair. Here's the back of the chair, and that's the cushion. The seat. All right. So far, so good as far as sustainability goes. Compostable bag number 2. Again, we just have more corrugated in here. His pad, and here's our cylinder. That's it. Okay, y'all, this is pretty cool. We've got it completely unpacked, and as you can see, the chair is 4 pieces. And guess what? There's no instructions. That leads me to believe, or at least I'm hoping, that it's pretty easy to put together. So, being smart, I would start with the cylinder, put it in the hole on the casters, and then I'm guessing the seat will come next. Let's see. Last but not least, seat back and arms. There's this little space right here. As you can see, that we're going for well, pretty good so far. So that's it. Literally, no instructions. I mean, I'm no expert, handyman, but not too shabby. I put it together in, what, minute 30? I don't know. Pretty easy, though. All right. Thanks for watching.